Now, let's move and talk about the server that you're going to be hearing more about today. So, NetInt it builds the custom silicon. We're on our second generation, and we commercialize this silicon in what we call VPUs, so video processing units. And the VPU is it's a card that can go in any x86 or ARM server. And we're here today to really talk about the goodness of ARM. And that's, in fact, how we can even pull off this demonstration that you're about to see of the OpenAI Whisper model running on CPU while the VPUs are doing this high volume of transcode. We offer the VPUs, those are available in a U.2 and a PCIe form factor, different chip configurations from one chip all the way up to as many as 4 chips. So depending on the density and the configuration that you need, if you want to put these in your own data center, there's a wide range of options there. But what we have found that more and more of the market is really needing is a turnkey, is a complete server. So we have partnered with Supermicro, and we've partnered with Ampere. And what we are going to be showing today is our Quadra Video Server, the Ampere Edition. A couple quick bullets here. So this Quadra Video Server, first of all, the codecs that it handles is HEVC, H.264, and AV1 encoding. It also offers very high density decoding. Decoding is HEVC, H.264, and VP9. It supports up to 8K, supports 10-bit HDR. And this, just to give you a performance benchmark, this particular server could do 320 simultaneous live 1080p 30 transcodes. So that could be, a situation where you might be bringing in interlaced streams. Maybe you're building a virtual MVPD network, and you have 300 channels. You could stream across your controlled network using just a single 1RU box. And that could be any combination of HEVC, H.264, or AV1. So you're not limited. You can have any mix of those streams, could be a combination of those codecs. You could even do the deinterlacing on the CPU while you then output a progressive stream. So, there's still many of us, if you're working only in internet video, then you might be shocked actually to know that there still is a lot of interlaced video out there, especially in the broadcast world. So when I'm talking about interlaced, it is something that has to be dealt with. So in case you're wondering about that. Now, to look inside, we have 10 VPUs. This is our T1U. This is the Quadra, our second generation T1U. All of this information's on the website. So, just in the interest of time and keeping this moving along, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail there. But inside each VPU is a 2D scaling engine. So it creates a full transcode ladder. There is an AI block. In fact, there's 15 to 18 TOPS of AI processing available. You can run all the common frameworks, powerful to do some optimization things that you might want to do. You might think of it as some advanced rate control. You can do, some basic object detection models. You could do facial detection for, sharpening, or, just other video enhancement operations. Those can all be run on here. We also fully support FFmpeg, which you are going to hear about today. FFmpeg, GStreamer is fully supported. GPAC is coming. We have a super robust set of APIs. There's a dedicated SDK. This can be integrated into literally any video workflow.